ताळगांव वाठारांत एका 36 वर्साच्या कामगाराक गाडयेन धपको दिल्ल्यान मरण आयलें. ही घडणूक 4 मार्चाक रातची घडिल्ली. जेन्ना मरण पाविल्लो व्यक्ती सायकली वयल्यान रातच्या वेळार घरा येतालो तेन्ना ताका एका गाडयेन धपको दिल्लो. हातूंत तो गंभीर जखमी जाल्लो, पूण ताका शुक्रारा 13 मार्चाक मरण आयलें. गाडी चलोवपी सोऱ्याचे नशेत आशिल्ल्याचो दावो ताच्या घरच्यांनी केला. तशेंच ह्या प्रकरणात दोशीक शिक्षा दिवची अशी मागणी ताच्या फॅमिलीन केल्या.
On the 4th of March, there was a terrible accident that happened in Talegaon village, and it happened close to Morals Legacy complex, which is right in Talegaon. House help who was traveling back from his shift along with his other mate on the cycle was hit by a Skoda driver who was on alcohol, and previous to that, near Copperleaf 2, he hit 2 bikers and then he hit the cycle person who fell on his windshield and then fell in the gutter. And he didn't wait. On top of that, he zoomed ahead and near Skoda showroom, he stopped. And when those bikers who hit earlier, when they went to check, they noticed that because of a tire puncture, he had stopped. That person was seriously injured and was admitted in the hospital at GMC. He went into coma and last night he passed away. The whole family is very upset because he was just a 37-year-old person. His wife is around 35 years old. They have 5 children back home and they were very hard-working husband and wife who were working hard to send the money to their family. People leave their homes and come down to go out to work, but when rash driving as well as on alcohol, when people drive here in Goa, this is something that needs to look into and given serious thought and also hold accountable for the same. So my request to the police is to investigate. No doubt, it was told to me by PSI Manjunath at that night only released out on bail. Tim's family was not intimated that he was released out on bail. This is something that has to be informed. On top of that, now since that person has passed away, he has to come forward and support this family. On top of that, he has to be held accountable for the death of this young house help who just passed away yesterday.